Roscoe, you be nice.
Iced tea, cinnamon.
If you use the poop scoop, you're gonna end up breaking it.
I thought it was new.
Oh, I don't think it. You can try, but I don't think it is. Really nice. Yeah, I don't think it is. Rusty. Rusty. He's allowed to play with other dogs. Hi, Goldie. Goldilocks. Hi, Goldie. How are you today? Hi, Brode. Did you make a new friend? Hi, Ozzy. Hi, baby Brady. No jumping. You're going to knock me over. Rusty. Rusty.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hi, Abigail. Hi, how are you?
You guys just want to eat ice.
Keeps them busy. Broccoli. Now you'll need it. Ozzy, what's up, buddy? You like being out here playing? You was being a good boy today. Hi, Rusty. Yes, he was a good boy too. Roscoe, you can play with Daisy, but no doing naughty things. Lucy! Lucy! Paisley! Nobody's gonna come see me. Just Abigail. Just Abigail. She's a good girl. Lucy! No jump. Let you get down, Abigail, so we don't both fall over. We probably shouldn't play on the structure. Somebody's gonna get hurt. Hi, Lucy. Come on. Roscoe really likes Daisy. It's like, leave me alone. I have to go get my girlfriend. Rusty, Rusty, why are you doing that to him? Why are you doing that? That would be Piglet. What are you doing in here? You two, you seeing where it's warm? Yeah. You don't want to be out in the cold, Millie Moo?